In this video, I am going to teach you how to find the cubes of numbers from 1 to 100. To find the cubes of numbers from 1 to 100, the prerequisite is to know the cubes of numbers from 1 to 9. So, you have to remember 1 cube, 2 cube, 3 cube and so on 9 cube. If you remember these numbers, you can easily find the cubes of other numbers. If you practice the method which I am going to tell you, it will make you feel that it is very easy to find the cubes of numbers from 1 to 100. It is very easy to find the cube of numbers. We will divide the numbers into 4 types for our convenience. For the first one, type 1, numbers starting with 1, that is 12, 13, 14 and so on. Type 2, numbers ending with 1, that is 21, 31, 41 and so on. Type 3, both the digits are same, that is 11, 22, 33, 44 and so on. Type 4, both the digits are different, that is 24, 35, 46. Numbers from 1 to 100 comes under these 4 types. So, let us start with type 1. So, numbers starting with 1. To find the cube of numbers starting with 1. Let us find the cube of 12. 12 cube. Listen carefully, it is very easy process. You can easily understand the process and you can easily find the cube of numbers starting with 1. So let us write, there are 2 digits, 1 and 2. Second digit is 2. So we will write 1, 2. Now take the second digit and write the square of this digit. 2 square, 4. Now cube of the second digit, 8. So I think you understand. Now let us leave these 2. This part and this part, leave these 2. Take the second number, 2, double this number. Now 4, double this number. 8, here nothing is there, means 8 plus 0, 8. 4 plus 8, 12 and 1 is carry forward. 1 plus 2 plus 4, 7, 1, 7, 2, 8 will be your answer. Now let us take another example, 13 cube. Now let us write the 2 digits, 1, 3. The second digit is 3, so square of the second digit is 9. Cube of the second digit is 27. Now leave this one and this one. So let us double the second digit. 3 into 2, 6. Double this. 9 into 2, 18. Now let us add. Here this means 0. 27 plus 0, 27. But we write 7 and 2 will be carried forward 2. 2 plus 9, 11. 11 plus 18, 29. But we will write 9 here and 2 will be carried. 2 plus 3, 5. 5 plus 6, 11. And we will write 1 here and 1 will be carried. 1 plus 1, 2. So 2197 will be your answer. Let us take another example. For example, 14 cube. Now, let us take 16 cube. Now let us write the 2 digits, 1, 6. Square of the second digit, 36. Cube of the second digit, 6 is 216. Now, leave these 2. Double this number. Double this number. 6 into 2, 12. Now double this number. 36 into 2, 72. Now let us add. 216 plus 0, 216. We will write 6 here and 21 will be carried. 6, 2, 8, 1, 9. 7 plus 3, 10 plus 2, 12. But we write 9 only and 12 will be carried. 18 plus 12, 30. But we will write 0 only, 3 will be carried. 3 plus 1, 4. So 4096. In this way, you can find the remaining cubes like 15 cube, 17 cube, 18 cube, 19 cube. Now, let us go to type 2. What is type 2? Numbers ending with 1. Numbers ending with 1. Type 2. Numbers ending with 1. That is 21, 31, 41, like that. Let us take 21 cube. In the previous type, we wrote numbers from left hand side to right hand side. This time, we will write the numbers from right hand side to left hand side. That is 21. We will write 1 here, 2 here, square of 2, 4, cube of 2, 8. Now, leave these 2. Double this number, 2 into 2, 4. Double this number, 2 into 4, 8. Now let us add. 1 plus 0, 1, 2 plus 4, 6, 12, 1 will be carried, 9, 2, 6, 1 will be your answer. Now let us take another example, 31 cube. So let us write 1, 3, square of 3, 9, cube of 3, 27. Leave these 2. Double this number 18, double this number 6. Let us add 18 plus 9, 27. But we will take 7 only, 2 will be carried. 27 plus 2, 29,791 will be your answer. Now let us take 51. 51 whole cube. So let us write 1, 5, square of 5 is 25, cube of 5 is 125. Leave these 2. Double this number 10, double this number 50. Now let us add. We will get 15 here, but we will write 5 and 1 will be carried. 50 plus 25 plus 1, 76. But we will write 6 only here and 7 will be carried. 125 plus 7, 132. So 132, 651 will be your answer. Now let us see type 3. What is type 3? Both the digits are same. 11, 22, 33. Let us take 11 cube. 11 cube. Here what we do is, we write cube of digit. Here both the digits are same, so we will write the cube. 1 cube 1, 1 cube 1, 1 cube 1, 1 cube 1. We will write like this. And now double this number, double this number. Add these 2, 3, 3, 1. So 1, 3, 3, 1 will be your answer. Now let us take another example, 22 cube. So 2 cube 8, 2 cube 8, 2 cube 8, 2 cube 8. Double this number 16, double this number 16. We will leave these 2. Let us add 8. 8 plus 16, 24. But we will write 4 only. 2 will be carried. 2 plus 8, 10 plus 16, 26. We will write 6 only. 2 will be carried. 2 plus 8, 10. 10,648 will be your answer. Now let us take another example. 33, 44, whatever. Let us take 44 whole cube. 4 cube, 64. 4 cube, 64, 64 and 64. Let us double this number. 128, 128. Leave these 2. Now add. 64 plus 0, 64. We will write 4 only. 6 will be carried. 6 plus 64, 70. 198. 198. But we will write 8 only. 19 will be carried. Here total 8 plus 4, 12. 21. 2, 3, 9, 11. 211. We will write 1 only. 21 will be carried. So 85,184 will be your answer. So like this we can find the remaining numbers. 55, 33, 66, 77, 88, 99. So let us go to type 4. I think you understand this process. It's very easy. We will just write the cubes 4 times. Cubes only. So remaining process is same as previous one. So you can easily find the cube of this type of numbers. Now let us go for fourth type. Type 4. Both the digits are different. That is, numbers like 24, 35, 46, such numbers. Let us find 24 cube. Here in this method, we will write cube of the first number, 2 cube, 8. 4 cube, 64, but we will write the 64 here because we have to write 2 numbers in between. So, here we will write square of the first digit into second digit. What will happen? 2 2s are 4 into 4, 16. Here we will write first digit into square of second digit, 32. Remaining is same as previous one. Double this number 32, double this number 64. Let us add 64 plus 0, 64. But we write 4 only. 6 will 6 plus 2 8, 12, 1 7, 102. But we will write 2 only. 10 will be carried. 8, 5, but 5 will be carried. 5 plus 8, 13. So 13,824 will be your answer. Next, let us take a 35 cube. First, cube of 3, 27. Cube of 5, 125. In between, I will write square of first digit into second digit. So 3 square into 5, 9 into 5, 45. Second time, 3 into square of the second digit, 5 square. 3 into 25, 75. Now, the remaining part is same as previous one. 45 double, 90. 75 double means 75 into 2, 150. Now, let us add. 125 plus 0, 125. We will write 5 only, 12 will be carried. 237. Out of this, 23 will be carried. 15 will be carried. So this will be your answer. Hope you understand this. Let us see another example also. Then it will be very clear. 46 4 cube. 46 4 cube 64. 6 cube 216. Now, first digit square into 6. 16 into 6, 96. Next, first digit into second digit square. 36 into 4, 144. Now, the same process, double this number. Double this number. Let us add 216 plus 0, 216. But we write 6 only. 21 will be carried. 45 will be carried. 33 will be carried. So this will be your answer. So in this method we can calculate cubes of numbers from 1 to 100. If you practice all these 4 times thoroughly, you feel yourself a calculator. Before leaving, I want to say one thing. Don't simply watch and go. Take a pen and paper and practice while I'm explaining. Practice makes man perfect. Moreover, it is very nice to see when some answers to some hard questions slides gracefully off your tongues. Really, it is very awesome. So, practice, enjoy the beauty of mathematics. If you find this video useful, please do like it, do subscribe it, do share it. Your likes matters a lot to me. Thank you for watching this video.